How can I ensure my child's iPhone stays turned off remotely?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how you can ensure your child's iPhone stays turned off remotely. Parental control is an important part of keeping children safe in the digital age, and Apple provides many built-in features to help with this. So, let's dive right in.
What do I need to get started?
Before we begin, you'll need two things. Firstly, your child's iPhone, and secondly, your own iPhone. We're going to use a feature called Screen Time that's built into iOS.
How do I set up screen time?
Screen Time is a feature that lets you know how much time you and your children spend on apps, websites, and more. This feature provides tools to help you and your family find a balance with the time spent on the iPhone. 1. Go to the Settings app on your child's iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. 3. Tap on Turn on Screen Time, then Continue. 4. When asked, select This is my child's iPhone. 5. Follow the prompts to set up a screen time passcode. Remember, this passcode is different from the iPhone's main passcode. Make sure you remember it or write it down somewhere secure.
How do I use Downtime and App Limits?
After setting up screen time, you can use features like Downtime and App Limits to control when the iPhone can be used. 1. In Screen Time, tap on Downtime. 2. Turn on Downtime, then set a start and an end time. During this time, only apps you've allowed and phone calls will be available. 3. Go back to Screen Time, tap on App Limits. 4. Here you can set daily time limits for specific app categories like social networking or games. Note, while this won't turn the iPhone off completely, it significantly limits what can be done on the device.
How can I monitor my child's iPhone?
To control your child's iPhone from your own device, you need to set up family sharing and add your child to your family group. 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID, then select Set up Family Sharing. 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your child's Apple ID to your family group. 3. Now, on your iPhone, in Screen Time settings, you'll see your child's name. Tap on it. 4. From here, you can remotely change downtime, app limits, and other screen time settings. By using these features on the iPhone, you can ensure your child's device stays off remotely, promoting a healthy balance between screen time and other activities. Remember, the main aim here is not to control but to establish a healthy digital environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.